guys, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali to everyone, and I hope that this year and also next year brings a huge amount of growth in your trading as well as your personal life. So today we are going to go through a few stocks, and I have selected a few of them. Again, I'm telling, don't get attached to a stock just because you're investing during muhurat trading. And yeah, muhurat trading session starts from 6:15 to 7:15, so I might come live, I might not, let's see what happens. But anyways, I would be providing the updates in the Telegram as well. So let's check out the stocks. And second of all, I want to say that, guys, please make sure that you follow money management at all times. Just because it's muhurat trading, that doesn't mean that you will invest everything or go all in, because the market, you have seen, it's at a correction phase. I won't say there would be a crash, but there might be, anything can happen in the market. But still, don't go all in. Make sure to follow money management and also your risk management, and accordingly invest in these stocks. And I have selected a few of the stocks, and whichever stocks you find to be the most appropriate, select those stocks. Okay, so let's go and check it out. Alright guys, getting on to the chart. Obviously we are going to trade and trading only with one lot, because you don't want to make a loss during muhurat trading. And whatever profits you make, you can buy some sweets for your family, or do some generosity and give it out to a poor person. That would bring some goodwill into your life too. But if you make a huge loss, and if you are trading in Bank Nifty today, and since we have only 1 hour of trading session, so you won't get a chance to recover your loss, I would recommend not to trade heavily, and just to trade with one lot, just to consider it as a good luck, and good luck for the next year. Okay, so coming on to Bank Nifty, first of all, you can see that Bank Nifty over here has closed at a very crucial level. You can say that it has broken a previous resistance also, but is not able to go down. And as far as the data goes, I think today we are going to open with a gap up. So somewhere, if it opens around 39,756, we can go for a buy, because initially we would be experiencing some amount of buy pressure in Bank Nifty due to the buying of the stocks, and many people will be investing into banking stocks as well for the future. So we can expect some high, and I'm expecting it to go from around these levels to the last high. I mean, that would be 40,146 level, and then there would be some amount of profit booking, guys. So please be careful. It can also come down, and it can come down drastically also, and surprise you all. Always make sure that you are following money management rule when you are trading in Bank Nifty. Okay, and if it opens with a gap down, or maybe perhaps it's a flat opening, but the chances are low, but it's a flat opening, we have to take into consideration the federal news which is also in place. They have tapered the market, so that might lead to some amount of profit booking. So if it comes down, crosses this low over here, which you can see, let me just mark it for you. So this would be the low over here, 39,342 levels. Then you can go for a sell, and it can reach till this level also. But still, I'm telling you, I'll not be on the selling side for today, at least, since there would be some buying pressure. Coming on to Nifty, same scenario in Nifty as well. I'm not recommending you to trade on the sell side. Buy side would be better, and if it opens somewhere at around 17,884 and crosses this level with some amount of strength, then you can go for the buy. Initially, guys, it would be like a T20 game, and you have to make your decision quite quickly. So that's why I'm saying please be careful, don't invest a huge amount of money. Coming on from an investment perspective, we have selected ITC, and the main logic for selecting this stock is that since it's muhurat trading, you would be investing also into a few stocks, and first logic would be the price point. You are getting it at a discounted value, which is 222 levels on the 5-minute time frame. It has also made some amount of bullishness, but yeah, it can come down to this level. So I would recommend wait for some time. If it comes down to this level, it can be a really good investment, because if I show you from an holistic perspective, you can see it's a type of a head and shoulder pattern which has formed over here. Okay, so you can call it a head and shoulder, but not necessary that you always have to name it a type of a pattern. So you can see it has broken down from the shoulder, and it did come down. It made a base over here right about 221 levels, and you can see that it has almost broken the base, but the risk over here is low, and the risk would be 5 to 6 rupees, and it would definitely bounce from 217 levels, and we can see a good momentum in ITC. Again, you can go for some quantity in ITC because the stock is cheap, and it can obviously reach or even cross 260, which is the all-time high, in the near future, and expecting that to come really soon. Okay, coming on to this stock CDSL, as you can see, I'm doing this analysis on a daily time frame, and I would recommend buying CDSL stock okay, for the future date, not for the short term. ITC was more of a 6-month from a 6-month perspective. CDSL would be from year or year 2 perspective. So the stock looks really bullish. Okay, it has formed an ascending triangle pattern on a daily time frame, and just about to squeeze and break into its last resistance. It has already taken a resistance over here quite a number of times. Let me just show you. So that's 1 and 2, 3 times you can say it has taken a resistance over here, and now, even according to the Elliott wave theory, if it breaks, then it can be a good break, and we can see it reaching the previous high and dwarfing it, and it might come down for a retest, but this would be acting as a support which previously acted as a resistance, and it can also go up and touch 2000 levels. I'm aiming for 2000 in this stock, and highly bullish in this stock too, because the amount of participation we have seen in the Indian market is absolutely phenomenal, guys, and I'm expecting this participation to increase, not decrease. Also, we have selected one stock which you are actually getting at a really discounted rate. I would say Wipro. You can see that it has given a breakdown, no doubt about it that it has gone down a lot, but now it's ready to go back up once again. So your SL would be here, and just because it's muhurat trading, that doesn't mean that you won't place an SL. You will always have to follow your risk management, and if the trade is going against you, for example, if you have bought Wipro at these points, and if it goes against you, then you will have to take the trade out, give your SL, and you will have to get out of it, because potentially there would be other stocks which would have even further investment. और अगर एकदम पैसा नहीं है इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, then we have an altcoin, okay, for all those crypto lovers. In a daily on a daily time frame, it has formed kind of a dodgy pattern. You can see it's trading, because these are traded for 365 days. Again, this is a very cheap coin. You can see $0.00006 right now, so you can put 100 rupees, and who knows, guys, these coins can also go up phenomenally, and you can see that it has already risen by 4% today, which is absolutely absurd. And if it crosses this all-time high, which you can see over here, so this would be round about at this level. I won't consider this wick to be an all-time high, but you can, since it's on a daily time frame. So 665, you can say like 0.0008665 cents. It can go up even further. So yeah, this can become potentially a good investment for all those people who are just willing to invest and don't have money at all. You can just leave your money, and who knows, it might even go to a dollar. There's no saying about these coins. Okay, again I'm saying, guys, don't trade with huge quantity, because once you make a loss, you won't get a chance to recover the loss. All right, so I'll meet you probably, maybe, perhaps I might even come live, or I might not, depending upon the situation. And yeah, I'll definitely be updating you regarding the trade which I'll be taking, and I'll be taking one trade today for the more trading session. All right, I hope that you guys take care of yourself, and happy Diwali again.